Hello, welcome to the course of IPv6. So today we are going to discuss about the neighbor discovery, redirect message and the neighbor discovery security. So here as in previous lecture we have discussed about the router messages and the neighbor messages that are the part of the neighbor discovery protocol. So now we are going to discuss about the last message, that is redirect message. So in this class we will discuss about this message and the neighbor discovery security process. So first of all, what is ICMP redirect message? So here this redirect message is particularly used by the router and it sends information to the device over the link about the availability of the better path to particular destination. It means it sends the information about the path, that this is a better path to send the message as compared to the other. It means it will compare the different path and it will select out the better path to go to the destination. So here it also indicates that the distance of the destination device, that it is neighbor or it is neighbor on a same link or a node on a remote subnet. So here it is telling that the destination devices to whom we are sending the packets is on the same link or it is available over to the remote subnet. So these are the two working of the redirect message. First of all, it will tell about the availability and of the better path, and second one is it will tell about the it will tell about that the neighbor to whom the destination device to whom we are sending the packet, is it on the same link or it is on the remote subnet. So this is a format of redirect message. So it consists of the type field, code field, checksum field. There are some reserved field, bit in this reserved field, target address, destination address, and last one is the ICMP6 option. So here the type field has the value 137, which will indicate that it is a redirect message with 8-bit long, and here code is equal to 0. It indicates this field is unused and it is of 8-bit long. Checksum here is used to detect the error bit and it is of 16-bit long. Reserved field is indicating that these bits are reserved for the future use and it is set to the 0. Target address, here this target address address of next best hop is added here, and in destination address it is here we have added the address of the destination node to which we are sending the packet. And here if target address and destination address are same, it means destination is a neighbor node, not a remote node. So option field here contain the target link layer source address and the redirect header. So better from IPv4 address where node sends the separate ARP request to determine the link layer address of the next hop. So here we in option field we are adding the target link layer source address as well as the redirect header. The next part is the neighbor discovery security. So here we are using a process name as SCND, that is secure neighbor discovery. So this is a working group who defines the protocol that is used to secure the neighbor discovery messages. So it is, as we know that neighbor discovery messages is used to cause various attacks in the network, so it must be protected. So protection of these neighbor discovery messages is mandatory. So it is used in a system where physical security of system is vulnerable to attack and neighbor discovery security have a more concern over it. So three trust models are defined to secure the to provide the security to this neighbor discovery messages, such as first one is corporate intranet, second one is the public wireless access network, and third one is the pure ad hoc network. So we are providing the security to these particular network in neighbor discovery security. So here the component which define under the SCND working group are, first one is authorizing the router. So here what we are using, before using it as a default router, first of all we are authorizing it, that it is authorized by the it is authorized router or not. So here certification path, solicitation, advertisement message are used to discover the certification path to the trusted router in the network. So here these certification paths are used to find out the trusted routers or the certified router, authorized router in the network. Next is cryptographically generated process, that is CGA. So here This process detects the integrity of a sender of a neighbor discovery message by verifying its claim address. It means here we are checking the address of the sender, that it is sending the message from which we are receiving is that particular sender or not. So here the pair of public keys are shared between nodes before the communication. So these the data which is sent in between the sender and destination are encrypted properly. Second one, last one is the RSA signature. So here the RSA signature is used to protect our messages that are transferred related to the neighbor discovery as well as the router discovery. Next is the timestamps and the N1's option. So here these are used to prevent packet relay attack. So send doesn't cover the protection of address configured as static address or through IPv6 stateless address auto configuration. So here it only cover up the addresses that is configured by the SLAAC, that is the stateful address auto configuration. So this is all about the neighbor redirect message as well as the neighbor discovery security. Thank you.